How to download and install Realtek audio drivers in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can download and install Realtek audio drivers in Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up your preferred browser in your laptop, and in the search bar type in Realtek audio driver and search for it. After that, you can head towards the first link, that is its official website, and click on it, and you will land on this kind of interface, which is their official website. Here you have to scroll down a bit, and here you get all of this description. Now you can select your preferred version that you would like to download. So for now, I will just head towards this 64 bits, and on next to it there is a download option. You have to click on it. Then you will land on next page where you have to accept the terms and agreements. Here click on I accept to above, and now you can download the file. Click on download this file, and now you have to complete this verification where you have to insert the CAPTCHA given in the interface. Then click on submit. Once you're verified, now your download will start automatically. And once the download is complete, you have to click and open the file. After that, you have to install it and set up in your device. So in this way, you can download Realtek audio driver in Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.